Good evening, moms, dads, friends, followers, admirers. How is everyone doing? Super glad to see you all after the break. We took a break for festivities and we really enjoyed. I hope you all had a good time. Diwali is one festival we really look for, and this pandemic, or say epidemic, couldn't stop us for celebrating this festival. We really enjoyed. We also had this Diwali online exhibition, which was a super successful series on Mommy's World for You and Me Facebook group. Also, there are few lineups in the coming months in the new year. Today also we have launched a new community for all the handcrafters, for the artisans, and the people who really believe in making things by their hands, and we'll be helping them to reach the bigger audience. We really hope that we are successful in helping them and making them believe that yes, organic really works. The talent around us is not limited, and that's the reason the group is kept on the public mode and not on private. We are really happy to launch this community on Facebook. You can find it on Facebook with the name of MW Handmade Joy. This really feels good to have such kind of initiatives, and you guys are supporting. You are super cool because you are being a rock solid support since years with MW and Mommy's World for You and Me. Really thankful to you that always whenever we need you, you're always there. This is our last third series. After this, 2 Fridays are left. We'll be inviting 2 more guests in next 2 Fridays, and till then we are organizing few more things in the community. We are arranging many things. This festival has opened the doors for many mompreneurs. We're super happy when we got to know that these people are enjoying the initiatives and getting the results. That is what important. I personally feel really happy when I get messages that you guys are loving Mommy's World for You and Me, Mommy's and Daddy's World, and all the sister groups we have. So this is interesting to see the new community, how it's going to grow. Though in just 4 hours, we have already crossed 150 plus members in the community. I really wish this community grow leaps and bounds, and would like to have your support always, and indebted always to you guys. Today we are having one of the guests from Super Bottoms. You must have heard this name previously as well, because we have invited one consultant from the company itself, Super Bottoms, who gave an insightful session that why you should be using cloth diaper for your kids. See, my kid is not in the age of wearing diapers now, otherwise I would have opted very happily. So today we are having Anshika Srivastav, who will be giving wonderful tips, tricks, and the pros and cons of using cloth diapers. So when you have such things around which are organic and when it's affordable, you really want to use it. So let's have her and see what all discussions we have to line up with her. Anshika, I believe you're watching me, and just a quick update, you have to upgrade your Instagram to come on this live. Please update that. Meanwhile, I'll just talk to the community. Quickly update your Instagram application because I'm unable to take you in this video. It says your Instagram is not updated. Quickly go and please update it. Meanwhile, I would want to tell you guys that this 2020 has shown us that we really can survive with what we have. It's not necessary to buy so many things. It's necessary to buy necessary things. Yes, it's very important. When we want to see that we can live in what we have, we should be thankful for. Gratitude should be your mantra, because we believe in giving, we believe in helping, and we believe in empowering others by the actions, just not the talks. We all should be knowing that when you give it, you already get so much by the universe, and that is how you grow in life. It's very important to understand, if you do not help someone, you don't get the benefit of the real life. So yes, everything which goes around comes around. At Mommy's World, for you and me, the initiatives have been organized in a way that you all can get benefit of it. Every time it's not about money, it's often about helping them. Yes, earning is important, but don't forget that there are people who may need you, who really need you, and who would love to have you around them. Not just the kids, not just the less fortunate people, but yes, people who would really want to see you around. And yes, I am very happy to say that I am too blessed to be stressed. Yes, indeed, it's a blessing to have such kind of people. And now I can have Anshika with us. She is a diapering consultant with Super Bottoms and working since quite long and using Super Bottoms cloth diaper with for her child. Hi, Anshika.
Yeah, hi.
How are you? Can you hear me clearly?
Yeah. You're audible. Am I audible?
Yes, you are audible. I hope you don't have any network issues with you. If there is any network issues, we'll bear it, because we've been bearing it. Technical issues keeps coming. The glitches happen
Yeah,
when we go live.
that's true. That's true. Since
A
we
warm
all of
welcome,
us are
Anshika.
dependent on technology these days, sometimes
Yes,
there are hiccups which we have to face now and then.
yes.
That happens. Yeah.
A warm welcome, and
Mhm.
Mommy's World for you and me welcomes you for this Instagram live series.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Okay, so I can just give in one line introduction. Rest you have to say about you, your experience with Super Bottoms.
Yeah. So, I am Anshika. I have been working with Super Bottom since around 9 to 10 months now. I'm a part of their
Hmm.
Moms Connect team. We speak with so many parents day in and day out. We answer their queries. We help them. We handhold them to get hang of cloth diapering, and we do
Hmm.
it. Uh,
You
Another
can
thing,
put your phone on silent, Anshika, so that you don't get disturbed.
yeah. So, let me tell you a bit about myself. Also,
Yeah.
I'm a mother to 23 months old girl. Her name is Arya. And I have been
Okay.
fortunate enough that when she was 1 month old, I came to know about Super Bottoms through a very common platform like this, through a live
Hmm.
video, through another fellow mothers. And
Hmm.
that's when I wanted to give it a try, because that sound really impressive to me, because I knew that
Hmm.
disposables which I was using till then, it's ultimately made up of plastics and a lot of
Yes.
chemicals which are not even defined chemicals, which we don't even know what all goes into disposable
Hmm.
diapers. So that's when
Yes.
I decided to give it a try. And I will
Hmm.
not deny, initially I was not very happy, because
Hmm.
cloth diapering has an initial learning curve. It needs
Hmm.
certain hand holding. It's a new concept. It's modern cloth diapers is a new concept for us,
Yes.
and it takes little time to get hold hang of it. And that's what happened with me. I faced leaks. I was concerned about so many things, but the Super Bottoms team, they were very helpful at that time, just like they are today, and they helped me through it. And I have been exclusively cloth diapering my child since then. I mean, I have not purchased any disposable diapers for her, and she's a happy baby, and I am a happy mother, and we are proud cloth diapering parents. Then I got an opportunity around 10 months back, and I had a love for this brand already, because this was one of the best decisions we had taken for our child, and we were very happy about it. So
Hmm.
I went for it. That's how I joined Super Bottoms. Telling little bit about Super Bottoms is also found by one of very concerned mothers, our founder Pallavi Uttagi, who faced a very nasty rash for her child, and she was very upset about it. And that is when she decided to find something, to make something, not just for her own child, but for our babies as
Hmm.
well. So, yeah, that's all about us.
So this happens, Anshika, when a mom really feel, some nasty experience, like you said, they face in their life, and they want to do something, and they come up with the experiments, and that's how we, the
Right.
super women power come out.
Yeah.
And hats off to her that she, gave it a thought. And nowadays, I've seen actually super bottoms have become in very common in most of the households, because cloth diapering is something is सब बच्चे के लिए moms को चाहिए. Who would want to use plastic when they want the cloth is there?
Definitely, definitely. It's
So
economical, it's safe, it doesn't
yeah,
have any chemicals, it's long lasting,
yeah.
it's stay dry, waterproof. What else do you want? See, cloth diapers, Super Bottoms cloth diapers is something I'm telling you out of my experience. It is something which comes with, all the conveniences of a disposable diaper, but in goodness
Huh.
of cloth. So, being a mother myself, being, I mean, I think every mother, be it cloth diapers, diapering is a one thing, but then when it comes to weaning, when it comes to breastfeeding, when it comes to anything, I mean, we are,
Hmm.
as soon as we become a mother, it's a totally new world for us, and we
Right.
are learning things one by one, and for everything
Hmm.
we just want the best for our child. We are not
Hmm.
ready to compromise on anything. So,
Hmm.
Super Bottoms cloth diapers will give you all the conveniences of a disposable diaper, but you do not have to
Hmm.
worry about the chemicals, the plastics, any harmful effects. Plus, they are sustainable. So,
Yes, that's sustainable. That's
yeah,
one thing and important thing.
right.
So, अंशिका, आपका एक्सपीरियंस बताइए. आपको क्या लगता है कि जो क्लॉथ डायपर्स आप यूज करते हैं उससे यू फील दैट बेबी कैन स्लीप फॉर लॉन्गर टाइम? हाउ इज द वॉश, द इंस्ट्रक्शंस, वॉशिंग इंस्ट्रक्शंस, for how long a baby can wear this diaper in the night or probably in the day hours? What are the instructions for to use that?
So, we have very simple two types of diapers. So,
Okay.
I also have them to show it to you.
Yeah, if you have.
So this is how a newborn diaper looks. We call it a
Okay.
newborn Uno. It comes with a Velcro closure here because see, newborn babies sleep a lot. So
Yes.
Velcros makes it easier to remove and to put it on again without
Yes.
disturbing baby sleep, because that is very important. So
Hmm.
this is newborn Uno diaper. It comes with one dry feel pad. It looks
Okay.
like this. So it has a waterproof base here. So
Okay.
when you put this pad over here,
Uh,
around you can use it for around 2 to 3 hours during the daytime, and you can
okay.
remove this pad if the baby
Hmm.
has not pooped, obviously, and you can
Hmm.
replace a fresh pad with the same waterproof outer. This waterproof
Huh?
outer is reusable because this is waterproof layer which will keep your
Okay.
waterproof outer safe. So
Okay.
this is what about newborn Uno. If you want to use it for night times, you
Hmm.
can purchase a booster pad separately.
Hmm.
As the
Hmm.
name suggests, it is boosts the absorbency of the diaper overall. You can place
Okay.
it in between of the same pad here,
Acha. Okay.
and it will boost the absorbency. You can snap it. Here are snaps available. Two
Hmm.
snaps are available here. You can snap it.
Hmm.
Two snaps are there on the pad as well. When you
Hmm.
snap it here, you can put it on your baby during the night time. So depending on baby's wetting pattern, it goes on from 4 to 5 hours during the night for newborn diaper, I'm telling, and then you can
Hmm.
change it. That's
Okay.
what. Coming to the another, as the baby grows, the newborn Uno will fit around 6 months or so, depending on, because different babies have different builds. For some it can be till 7-8 months also. For some it can be till 5 months also. It depends. After that, your baby will graduate to this free size Uno. This is how it looks. They come in very cute prints, I tell you. So these have snaps over here. These have resizing snaps also, and these snaps can be secured at the waist of the child. And the resizing snaps that you see, the diaper grows with the baby. So the same diaper basically can be used from 6 months, in fact 5 months till around 3 years. How? You can resize it. So you can resize it to the smallest size setting. I'll show you how you can resize it. You can resize it by snapping it like this. And this has become small.
This looks very cute, Anshika. The baby must be very happy even when they're playing. Small babies.
I tell you,
2 years baby.
Parents are crazy after the prints. Even I am. We keep, matching their cute dresses with the matching with these prints, and then we don't put on any pajamas or anything. और ऐसे ही घूमते हैं. And बहुत cute लगते हैं, no doubt.
So, I know, yeah, because prints इतने अच्छे हैं. So baby, even when playing, and we moms are, very used to clicking pictures.
Yeah.
तो हम लोग जब भी वो खेल रहे हैं और अगर पिक्चर क्लिक कर रहे हैं उसमें ये डायपर्स के प्रिंट्स आ रहे हैं तो it looks very nice to have such kind of colorful pictures also.
I will tell you, you join our Facebook family group. In fact, whoever is watching us today, please join Super Bottoms family group on Facebook. You would be so happy. You would see cute babies in these diapers, the bump shots, and then it's a beautiful community of parents like us who you will also get a lot of parenting tips there, and it will be helpful. And we are always there to also help you with diapering queries. So yes, if you are wondering how babies will look in these diapers, just go to that group and you will be very happy about it. So this is the
Anshika, tell me, what are the washing instructions for this, and for how long you can use these diapers?
Yeah, so
I'm asking for the months and the years.
Yes, so these diapers can be reused till 300 times. If you wash them well, yes, you can use it. There are parents I know who have used them for their child and then for the second child and then even passed it to relatives. So that
is it safe to do that?
It's safe because see, babies are peeing in underwears also. Babies it's a normal cloth. If you wash it well, it can be reused. If it can be reused by one child, it can be reused by another child also. It's safe. Since we believe in sustainable concepts, we are very sustainable organization, so we really encourage that also, that you pass the same diaper to different children, and we have made it durable in such a way that if you are maintaining it nicely, it will go a really long time. So parents have been doing that.
And what are the washing tips? I'm asking you. How do you suggest?
You can wash it with your normal laundry. You can wash it with hands by agitating it well. You can wash it in your washing machine. You can just throw it with your usual laundry. There is nothing extra, nothing as such.
So any disinfectant we have to use it, or it's okay to wash with the same washing powder, or
the biggest disinfectant for anything is the purest disinfectant is sunlight. You can wash it. You can dry it sunlight if possible for 1 hour, 2 hours, and that is the best disinfectant for anything. We don't recommend any chemical based disinfectants or any such things because they cling to the fabric and it's not safe. Ultimately, we are determined to make a very safe diapering solution for the innocent babies, and that's not required also. The normal detergent, the normal Surf Excel or Tide, bilkul basic wala, without any fragrance, you can use, and it's good to go. That's how you have to wash.
I'm super jealous of you, Anshika, because you're using these cute diapers for your kids. my kid is outgrown and I cannot put him in diapers again.
But
So,
you are spreading Super Bottom's love. Yeah, I mean, you are doing a very good job. You are making so many parents aware of it here.
yes, I really want people to, now use sustainable things, and we are really helping it. And because of this only, we have launched a new community today, which is named as Handmade Joy, where we'll be
Wow.
supporting, everyone who is into this sustainable thing, because it's economical. It's it's good for us, good for kids, good for coming generation, for everyone.
Right, right. So, talking about how many hours it can go on for nighttime,
Yeah.
the free size Uno, for my baby, it goes on till 12 hours, even more
Acha.
if she's sleeping. So, we
Okay.
usually say we have seen that it usually goes on throughout the night for most babies. And
Okay.
for, during the daytime also, you can use it for around 3 to 4 hours. And
Okay.
then we recommend to change it due to hygiene reasons.
हाँ हाँ. आई
So,
गेस जो बच्चे बिल्कुल न्यू बॉर्न है उनके लिए ज्यादा ये डायपर्स यूज होते होंगे, बिकॉज लाइक यू सेड दे स्लीप अलॉट, दे पी अलॉट, ऑफ
yeah,
कोर्स
yeah.
दे टेक फीड एंड दे गो बैक टू स्लीप अगेन.
They
तो
pay
उनके
little
लिए
bit quantities, yeah. बहुत सारा, right?
हाँ, उनके लिए ज्यादा यूज होता होगा. एंड छोटे बच्चों के लिए तो अगर रैशेस नहीं चाहिए तो आई गेस दैट्स वन वंडरफुल थिंग वी कैन. आई
Yes.
वुड सजेस्ट पीपल टू इवन स्टार्ट गिफ्टिंग
Rashes,
दिस थिंग ओनली.
see,
बच्चे अगर
rashes
हो
का
रहे
तो
हैं किसी
सवाल नहीं
फैमिली से.
उठता because this is what is going to touch your baby. Okay.
हम्म.
And this is the part which is going to touch your baby. And this is a super dry feel layer. If you will touch
या.
it, you will know it's so soft. So it's very, very soft. And it's a dry feel layer. If your baby is peeing in this, he or she will not feel the wetness at all. Plus the pad, these layers you see is made up of organic cotton. So there is
Right.
nothing which could give any kind of rashes. It's totally rash free.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Because if somebody
Yeah.
wants their kid, a rash-free, childhood, they can gift. One should start gifting these cloth diapers. Anshika, baby
Yes.
हो गया तो हम लोग अभी यही चलता आ रहा था कि वो जो पाउडर्स और वो सबके किट्स रहते हैं, बेबी किट्स, हम लोग वो
Yeah.
देते हैं. So they should start gifting these diapers now, because एक तो नीड भी है और वर्ड भी अच्छा स्प्रेड हो जाएगा फॉर गुड थिंग.
You are right because as I said, when especially it happened with me when we become parents, we are totally blank. First time parents,
Yes.
and there is so much to learn in one time, so much to learn, so much to take in together that
Yeah.
I mean we can at least ensure you that one thing is sorted from our side.
Yeah.
Yeah. So
So
yes,
this
if
is good.
I also
और
personally
यहाँ
give to my all my friends, whoever is expecting ये, but पहले तो ये लो, पहले ये सीखो. ये सबसे
I
important
know
है.
this is. So somebody is saying that they have questions. They're asking, this is manufactured, of course. Is it manufactured in India only?
Earlier it was getting manufactured outside, but we are now gradually procuring it in India. Slowly, slowly
Okay.
transition.
And how this pandemic had slowed down your deliveries, Anshika? Because if somebody is trying to order it in a bulk, how soon you can deliver it in the local cities or the
Yeah.
nearby
So
cities?
usually we deliver it in 5 to 7 working days. But yes,
Okay.
sometimes it even goes till 10 days or so. It really depends on the location and it really depends on the conditions around that area. It's
Still,
difficult to
because there
say.
are
I
still
would
containment
need,
zones are there.
yes, I would need the pin code and things like that to tell you how long it will take. But all over India, it usually takes 5 to 7 days. It doesn't take more. Yeah.
Okay. Now, quickly, I want to ask you, since we have come down to wrap up this session,
Yeah.
एक बार सब बता दो कितने सारे डायपर्स आपके पास हैं. आपने मुझे ये बताया है ऊनो के बारे में, which is doing fabulous, और कौन से हैं?
So डायपर दो ही है. वो कुछ इतना बहुत डिफिकल्ट कॉम्प्लिकेटेड कॉन्सेप्ट नहीं है. आपका बेबी जैसे ही बॉर्न होता है, you can choose this. This is a newborn Uno diaper. You begin with this. 1 day old child can also wear it. This also has resize snaps here. So
Okay.
for a newborn baby, बिल्कुल स्मॉलेस्ट राइज सेटिंग में आप एक छोटा सा डायपर हो जाएगा, and then it will
Okay.
grow with your baby. Once your baby
Right.
outgrows, you go for pre-size Uno diaper, this one,
Okay.
and then more it works till mostly your baby will be potty trained. तब तक you can use it. 3 years के आसपास तक
Right.
चलता है आराम से.
Okay.
Simple फंडा है. The same diaper will go for daytime also and for nighttime also. It comes with 3 types of pads.
एक
So
बात बताओ अंशिका, कितने डायपर्स रखे हैं आपने, पहले ये बताओ, आपके पास आपकी बेबी के लिए कितने डायपर्स हैं?
मेरे पास कितने हैं ये पूछ रहे हो या कितने चाहिए होते हैं ये पूछ रहे हो?
नहीं, कितने हैं, ताकि हम लोग को एक आइडिया आएगा कि एक मॉम को कितने डायपर चाहिए रहता है। आपके 23 ईयर ओल्ड बेबी है, 23 मंथ ओल्ड।
हाँ, तो चाहिए जो होता है वो तो अगर आप दिन रात यूज करना चाहते हो तो मेरे ख्याल से 8 to 10 डाइपर्स इनफ है, मोर देन इनफ है. ठीक है.
अच्छा।
और अगर आप मेरे से पूछो मेरे पास कितने हैं तो मेरे पास 14-15 है. इट्स ऑल
नहीं, मैं
बिकॉज
आपसे क्यों पूछ रही हूँ, चाहिए बोलोगे तो आपके डिजाइन तो बहुत सारे हैं, वो चाहिए वाली लिस्ट में डिजाइन आ जाएंगे सारे।
हाँ
पर जो नीड की हम उसकी बात कर रहे हैं, कितनी नीड में काम
हाँ,
चल
जो
जाता है एक का।
8 to 10 डाइपर्स मोर देन इनफ है. आप आराम से उसमें अपने बेबी को क्लॉथ डाइपर कर सकते हो. अगर आप
हाँ,
एवरी डे और
अगर
एवरी ऑल्टरनेट डे यू आर डूइंग द लॉन्ड्री, यू कैन
अच्छा,
मैनेज वेरी वेल विद 8 to 10 डाइपर्स आराम से. अगर आप
तो
पूरा
मॉम
दिन
आप ये ध्यान रखिए कि अगर आप डिजाइन के पीछे भाग रही हैं तो देर इज नो लिमिट, और नीड के पीछे
हाँ
भागना है तो 8 to 10 डायपर्स में काम हो जाएगा.
आराम से.
And Super Bottoms really have some cool stuff. I really appreciate Pallavi's initiative, and Mansa I'm connected with, and now you, Anshika. Last I met with Dimple, and you guys are doing a fabulous job serving society and giving a good message for this cloth diapers. I really wish you all the best to
Thank you
the
so much.
entire Super Bottoms community. It
Thank you.
was good to have
Thank you. Thank you.
you. Take care, stay connected.
Yeah. Thank you. Thank you. Wish you all the best.
Thanks, dear. Bye bye.
Bye bye.
So this was an insightful session by one of the cloth diapering consultant by Super Bottoms. Guys, they really are super people. Why? Because they are easily accessible. They are on WhatsApp, they have a website, and they also have a Facebook reach, what she suggested. So yes, you're asking Ritu, you can contact them through Facebook page, Facebook group they have. They have a website. You can search on Google Super Bottoms. You will be able to contact them. And they also have a WhatsApp number which you can get from their website only. You will be really happy to use this cloth diapers for your child. Like I said, that we have launched this community today on Facebook, Handmade Joy. I would suggest each and everyone to be a part of this community, Handmade Joy, and invite all the artisans and the handicrafters, all the people who believe in making things themselves, even the bakers, everyone. We would love to have them in the community and spread the good word about it. We will be supporting them. Our community, the members will be supporting them, because our main community, Mommy's World for You, and we will always be there for you guys for any query or for any hurdles you get. So yes, this was the session for today. I hope you're having good time with your family, and it was pleasing to have Anshika as well today. Today has been a good session because it was crisp, clear, and very nice. So yes, thanks everyone who joined here, and I look forward to see you all once again next Friday. We have someone who really loves dancing, who we will tell you very soon. Till then, take care, stay connected, happy parenting. I love you. Bye bye.